If you want to add an unsubscribe link in Mailchimp, I'm going to walk you through the process step by step so you can do it quickly and correctly. This is an important part of email marketing because it helps keep your campaigns compliant and gives your subscribers a clear way to opt out if they no longer want to hear from you. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to the Mailchimp email editor for the campaign where you want to add the unsubscribe link. Once you're inside the editor, scroll down until you find the text area where you want the unsubscribe option to appear. Usually, this is placed near the bottom of the email, often in the footer area. Click on the unsubscribe text so it becomes selected. After that, look for the three dots menu and click it to open more editing options. From the menu, choose Merge Tags. This is where Mailchimp keeps its special dynamic content tools, including unsubscribe links. Next, scroll down through the Merge Tags options until you find Unsubscribe Link. Click on that option to insert it into your email. Once the unsubscribe text has been added, highlight the text you want to turn into the link. Then click Add Link. Now paste or add the unsubscribe link into the link field. Then click Save to confirm the change. After that, take a moment to review the text and make sure the link is showing correctly and looks clean inside your email layout. This step is important because you want the unsubscribe option to be easy to find and working properly before you send the campaign. When everything looks good, click Save and Exit to leave the editor. Finally, go ahead and send your mail or schedule it as needed. And that's it. You've successfully added an unsubscribe link in Mailchimp. It's a simple step, but it plays a big role in keeping your email marketing professional and subscriber friendly. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides. And I'll see you in the next video.